Vanessa gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's gonna make sure that thumbs up, subscribe, and be a part of this gang, because that's gang, this gang of all gangs, period. Today we are going to bleach my roots, and we're going to dye my hair a color or colors. So no, I need y'all to go in the comments right now and guess what color. No cheating, no sliding to the end. Like, bro, no cheating. Like, put that on God. Y'all not gonna cheat.
Put that on your mama.
I didn't want to bring like my big bucket of bleach, but I really regret it because I only got this, and my hairstylist, the one who do my waves and stuff, she also be doing my edges, and she said that that was not going to be enough. And also I only got 10 developer, but I specifically brought this because she's never dealt with bleach anymore. Oh yeah, this is my sister if you don't know, but if you don't know, like, where you been? So anyways, since she never dealt with it, I'm gonna do like a really low developer because I don't want her to burn my hair off, because that would suck. So we're gonna mix these and we're gonna see how far this gets us. We went to Myers. If you live down south, you probably don't know what that is, but went to Myers, and this was the only bleaching system thingies that they had. So we're gonna see how this goes. I mean, it looks like I'm gonna get the color in my hair now, because it's saying if my hair is this dark, which it looks like it is, it's going to become this platinum, and this is even more like white and crispier than this hair. So I'm gonna follow the directions and see what happened. I low-key think we should start with this first. Wish us luck. We're probably gonna be jamming to music. This bathroom is mad tiny, so hopefully we don't die in here. So let's follow the directions. Well, you follow the directions, and I'm going to detangle my hair because my hair is like a week old, I'm pretty sure, so I'll have to detangle it.
Why is there a hole?
Because I ripped it opening it because it had like a sticker. I don't know where my mixing bowl is, so we just got another one. Mom, for watching, this is mine.
Why do I have to read this?
So you can see how to mix it and stuff.
It's not that hard.
Girl, don't talk about something that's not that hard.
It's not.
So part it and then I'll brush that part. But we did hope for me. We did.
Ooh, your hair sounds like some
God damn. Oh, I'm definitely tender-headed. I feel like these things is pulling the meat inside my skin. Total time, 40-60 minutes. We got an hour for it to sit in my hair.
You don't care about this shirt?
I'll take it off and just wear my bralette. Cause it's definitely gonna.
Hold on, cause
do you got a messed up shirt?
She said, let me figure it out.
Not the protective little system. This is the shirt she gave me. Ironic enough, it matches the shorts already, so. Sure. Put y'all in my job. It burns. Real? A little bit. I'm a Cancer. What we doing? What we doing? You going like, oh, girl, you probably right. Baby daddy might trip, but I don't even care. Cause the bitch do better than let me hear it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ain't that DJ Charles over there? I'm like, mom, yeah, light skin, dark skin, shit.
Oh, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, Bree?
Damn, I want all three.
Ooh, ooh.
Ashley, hey. What's up, Keith? What's up, Lisa?
Yo, I posted a video on my YouTube channel.
No, you thought you did
Nah, cause I was finna flow. What you talking about?
I had to hit him with the
English, Spanish, and French. Euros, dollars, and yen. Cause I'm a very freaky girl. Get it from my mama. Ow!
Move it, baby, stick it, baby, move it, baby.
It's gonna be lopsided as hell.
Look at the cookie cause it's good for
bro.
She said, oh, I don't cook I'm clean, but let me tell you, I got a ring. Maybe I'm naive, maybe I'm too nice. Tired, tossing in my sleep, not no more though. Heart around my sleeve.
Bag it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. It's 2 o'clock in the morning.
Keep them dollars coming, and that's gonna make me dance. Make it rain, train.
I'ma make it rain, I'ma make it rain, bitch. Bitch want riding, told the bitch don't get out her body.
I don't really care if you cry. On the real, you should've never lied. Alright, so we got like 5 more minutes. I'm about to do a strand on her if she's insisting. Yes, ma'am. We got a couple like dark spots, but nothing too crazy. I ain't putting bleach in my hair again, so that's good. My hair got inches, y'all. Stop playing with me. Stop playing. She rinsing out her little strand test. It's looking very much hot pink now. It's pink? I thought it was red. Well, I guess we'll never know. We'll know tomorrow in the sunlight. We're debating on if we're gonna do the blue tonight or not. Because it's 3 in the morning and we gotta wake up at 10. But I don't want to sleep. Yeah. We gotta leave by 10, so we actually gotta wake up at like 8, 9.
That's on my side profile.
It is literally about to be 4 in the morning. And I just decided I don't want to keep stalling and waiting, and I just want to get it done. So we about to do this thing. Alright, we're doing it. This is the Dirty Mermaid by, I would tell y'all the brand, but I didn't get paid for that. Oh. One side done. Took 30 minutes. So got one more 30-minute, and then we gotta wait another hour for it to soak. So technically we're not gonna get done until 6. I was gonna leave it like this. This is a really pretty turquoise kind of color. But when I was looking at photos, even though they all were like straight hair or like wavy, I don't really like it. It's giving clown. It's not really giving bad bitch. So we're about to girl bye. So we are going to put another color on the other side. So I'll see you in another 30 minutes. Okay, so it is currently 5:30 in the morning. She wanted me to keep it in, but I am too lazy. This side is like really like rich. And then this side has been in for way longer, but you can see blonde spots in it. I don't like that.
It's most definitely because it was wet.
Yeah, probably.
Probably wasn't the best idea.
Probably, but we're gonna wait till the morning to see what it looks like. Look, get it closer to the front. Don't look at me.
Oh, girl, that little
Listen.
thing you do right there.
Nah, because you did something. It is the next day, and well, the next night actually. I finally got ready a couple hours ago, ready to see the end result. Ready to, yes ma'am. So this side came out so rich and beautiful. I really love this color so much. If I had to choose what color to dye my whole entire head, it would definitely be this color. This color did not take too well. I did have to, okay, so when I styled my hair, I had leave-in conditioner and I mixed that with the actual color. This is actually more colorful than it was earlier. It had like way more blonde, like yellowish streaks in it. But thankfully my hair is curly, so you can't even see it. It doesn't look as bad as if it was straight, I'm sure. I'm definitely gonna have to get another jar if I want to keep this side. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I keep it like this? Half and half. I really do love the half and half. I feel like it looks so much different, but I just don't like how splotchy this side is. This is called like forest green, I'm sure, and then this is aqua or something like that. Then I got my lashes from this company on IG. I'm gonna do a whole like YouTube tutorial on the beauty channel, this channel. But all in all, my sister did a really good job. We had to go in with the other bleach that I have that is not box bleach. And that did the job. My hair turned blonde really fast. I only left it in for like 10 minutes, washed it out. But I'm really digging it, you know what I'm saying? Got the contacts with the blue lashes, with the blue turquoise. Let me know what it's giving. What is it giving right now? I'm thinking it's giving like mermaid. Let me know if this is the color that you expected it to be. Let me know in the comments what I should do next, or if I should rock this for a while, or like some tips to make the hair color stick, or just like wait it out. My nails, I don't know if you can tell, but they are like tinted blue, but I banged this nail into the door the other day, so I'm just gonna take off the whole set and start all over. Probably gonna do a blue set, so I'm all blued out. Well, thank you guys for watching. I love you, Nessa gang, and I'll see you in my next video.